He's like, he just said it and walked away. Like, okay. All right, guys, we are doing fried mushrooms today in a beer batter. And we picked up some hot peppers at the Amish market a while ago. And a squash. If I have enough batter and stuff, we're going to try and do it all. So, I have never done mushrooms before. I have done the other, just no mushrooms. I have 1.5 cups of self-rising flour in here. I have 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in here. Get that all out of there. And I have 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're going to put some onion powder. You put whatever spices you want. Guys, that right there is the base of it, okay? And a can of beer. And you can half this or you know, down it if you want. His onion powder is all messed up in there.
Oh, it's all dried out.
Yeah, we're going to have to get some fresh. Make our own.
It's drawing moisture in here.
Yeah. Alright. So, we'll get some onion powder going. Some garlic powder. And guys, like I say, you use what you want. Paprika, cayenne, whatever. We got some pepper and some salt. But you know, you gotta have all that good stuff. Extra pepper, because we love pepper. Get that all mixed up. I got my grease heating up a little bit. I just got it on low right now since we're using tallow. And a little bit of lard because I didn't have enough. And I'm hoping I have enough to fry.
And I got some more tallow being made right now.
Yes, because we used it. And we've got 1 bottle of beer. 12 ounces. Your choice of that too. Whatever kind you want. We just mix that all up. And that was cold right out of the refrigerator. I love the smell of beer. I don't like the taste of it. I love the smell of it. And I like beer battered stuff, but because you don't taste it as much.
It cooks it off.
Yeah.
You don't even get no alcohol out of it.
Nope.
Probably a dark beer would be better for that. We used a light because that's what we had.
Or you use what you got, guys.
Yeah.
The last time we made this, we was looking around because we had extra. Like, what are we gonna fry now? What are we gonna fry? So we ended up doing some onion rings and like something else we did. It was like, oh, let's try that.
Zucchini, I think.
I was like, ooh. All right.
I think we tried cucumbers. That didn't work very well.
Yeah, that didn't. We'll let that set. And now I'm just going to clean. Oh, if I turn the knife around right. Not cut myself. Some of these peppers here.
And she has washed everything.
I did.
Because you know, cleanliness is next to godliness.
I even showered today.
And it ain't even Saturday. I'm impressed. You don't get that very often with her.
Hey, you just told him I was clean.
She pretty much does it every day.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Sometimes twice. Me too, if I've been working out in the yard, it's hot.
Alright. And one more. We're frying these whole. Guys, if you did not watch a video before, we did these last year too. They're
Oh my.
so good. They had yellow, but I can only find a couple yellow ones down there. They were all green.
And you can put these back in the air fryer and heat them up, and they taste just like you just made them. So. fantastic.
We went to Kentucky and they had them at a restaurant, and we're like, "Ooh, we can do that."
Yeah.
We can do that. Let's
So we
try
came
it.
home and did it.
Yeah, and it tastes just as good.
Yeah.
All right, let's crank this up a little bit.
You want to? Reckon you oughta?
Putting it up on 350. I washed the mushrooms. They're still wet. I probably should dry them off a little bit before they hit the grease. And we'll be right back. All right, guys. My oil is heated up. Here we go. We're going to try a mushroom first. We're going to dip her. Shake some excess off. Ooh. Drop her in. I think it could use another minute on the oil. It's popping and cracking, and it's bubbling around it. We're gonna try these mushrooms. I think I may water that down a little bit. I think it's a little thick this time.
Yeah, but is it sticking on it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes, it is. We're going to have extra thick batter on it.
Sometimes that's what you need.
Yeah, it's not falling off in there, going everywhere, so that might.
Yeah.
Guys, have you ever done this? Let us know if you've tried doing it, what all you've deep fried, because, you know. I do have some Oreos. Deep fry Oreos. Which
Hey.
wouldn't be my thing, but
Wouldn't be mine either.
really. Deep fried and cookies. Chocolate. You love Oreos.
Yeah, but that just don't even sound good.
Alright, I'm going to put one of these in there too.
Maybe you should.
All covered up.
Mm. Put a squash in it.
I think I will. We just have a little bit of everything in here.
Like fair food day, huh?
Yeah. We'll let that
Man, we should have got some broccoli.
let this cook a minute here. Ooh. Guys. It's a 93 today, I think it's going to be. And our air conditioner is not keeping up in the afternoons. Right now it is, but we don't even set ours really cold. We only set it on like 74, 75. And it gets 80 in the house, even at that. In the evenings.
Yeah, I think all the air conditioners are getting a good workout right now.
Yeah. I was like, whoo. But they don't go down. If so, Walmart might be having some camping overnight campers.
Yeah, because their AC was nice and cold a while ago.
Can you see these guys? You're frying.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get something to lay those on when we cut mine.
We can get the wood tray.
Alright guys, I think they're done, so we're going to take them out. Look at that pepper.
Oh,
That breading is so awesome, guys. I'm telling you. Woo! Here is the squash.
Probably gonna get some salt on while they're hot, huh?
And now here's some mushrooms.
Yummy.
That batter on there. Oh, look at it. It's so thick. I
Making my mouth water.
I don't like it. Bill's like, what are we having for a side dish or for a main dish to go with these? Hot dogs? We had hot dogs in the
Yeah, we're gonna.
refrigerator. Look what we're gonna do. We're gonna try it.
We're fixing to put some of them hot dogs in that batter,
We're
and
gonna try it. It's corn dog without a stick. Well, not corn. Beer dog. How's that?
oh my.
Here we go. We'll see how it works. I'm putting 2 in. 1 for him, 1 for me. See what we got. And guys, if you haven't seen my bakery cookie recipe, you can go back and check that one out. After I did that, I put on Facebook that I taken orders for some, and I got orders for 4.5 dozen. So I'm gonna be busy this weekend. So there's that. Let me rinse my fingers off here. All right, guys, look at this hot dog.
Oh my.
Look at that. There's the other one. Ah. And we're frying, like we said, in tallow and lard. So, all right, I cut me a mushroom to see, so it could cool. So let's see. We haven't tasted it yet. I got some ranch here. I'm dipping it in a little bit. That's delicious. Delicious. Now we won't have to go out and buy them. He bought the big containers of mushrooms. He bought a white pack and then these brown ones. So we'll be frying mushrooms.
Well, I thought you were gonna fry all of them up.
I know you think so. Guys, we're going to live on this today. So good.
Oh, look at those.
I'm waiting on these hot dogs. I'm sure they're done. So
Should be. Oh yeah, that looks done.
Some of this other stuff, I put some peppers back in here and another squash. All right. Take a hot dog. I didn't get a big enough plate.
Now you need a big plate. That's what I'm gonna get.
Cut that hot dog in 2 here.
That might just be good. Just put a little honey mustard on it or something.
Yeah. You see the
Oh yeah, it looks good.
that one there? I'm not even gonna put anything on it. I'm just gonna taste it. Hot.
Yeah.
Crispy on the outside. Oh, guys. Oh, so good. Just saying. We'll get these out of here and we're going to eat so I can get to making some cookies.
Yeah, you got a lot of cookies to make.
And it's 1 o'clock, so we got lots to do today. Wash clothes, strip the bed, go do that.
And I fasted yesterday, so
He's ready to eat.
here it is, 1 o'clock, and I still haven't eaten the next day.
Alright guys, so if you like this video, comment, like, share, subscribe please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out guys. Beer batter.
Gotta love it.
Have a great day.